How to insert a checkbox in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel, click on the ribbon at the top where there is nothing, right click, and you'll find all these options pop up. Click on Customize the ribbon. After that, on right side, simply scroll down till you find developer. Make sure there's tick mark in developer and then press on OK. If you already have developer in your ribbon, you don't have to do this. Simply click on developer at the top. In here, you will find all these options. Click on insert. You'll find two options, form control and ActiveX control. Select the one you prefer. As you can see, there is a box with a check mark. Simply click on it and then your cursor will be changed into plus sign. Select the area and drop the checkbox. You can resize it, also drag it wherever you want. If you want it in all the columns, simply drag it. Click on where your check mark is and then simply drag it tilde down. As you can see, I have in all the 3 rows. If I want to delete, simply right click on the cell and press on cut. It will be deleted in this way. And this is how to insert the checkbox in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.